Hello guys, today we will learn how to create a table, and let's open a new file. And of course you know now the tag doc type, and then HTML, and of course we don't need to put the heads, and let's put body right away, and let's see how we. So this is the table tag. It's like that. You just type table, you open the tag and you close it, and between those, the table tag, so we have something called the table header, which we represented like that th. Okay, so let's say we want to have a table has like the name and the address and the phone number. Okay, so we're gonna have like three columns, but actually here when we create the table, so we don't like mention the column, we just mention the row, and in each row we're gonna have either the we call something like the table data. Okay, the cell data, so that we represented as a td. This is, it will be inside the table row. Okay, so right here we're going to have a table row, and inside this table row we'll have table cell data, the table data, like that. So let's say how many headers we need. We need like three headers. So the first header we're going to put the name. Okay, so let's copy this. The second header we need the address, and the third header we need the phone. Okay, so right now let's say we want to add like two rows. Okay, so let's say we close this. We want to add two rows. So this is the first row. Let me delete this to show you guys first how we add two rows like that. We close table row. Okay, so right now we have two rows, but it's empty, and we have the header. So inside each row, we will add how many, the data or the table data reflected, the data cell we need. We need three. So let's say the first one, the TD, it will have, let's say John, and inside the same row, let's put something like be like a little bit organized. Let's move this here, and we're gonna have three table data. Here the first one we're gonna have the name, and the second one we need to put the address. Let's say John live in Brooklyn, and the phone number, let's say 202.111.000. Okay, so now we've done the first table row. Let's go to the second row, and also we're gonna have three table data. Let's say Mary, and she live in, let's say, Manhattan, and her phone number is 718 whatever 000. So let's save this file and run it and see how it looks like. Let's call this table.html, and we save it in the same project. Okay. And we open our folder, and we look for the table. Yeah, it's right here, the name, address. So this is the table header. As you see, it's in bold, and this is the data. So here there is like some attributes. Of course, we will learn all of this later in the CSS when we talk about the cascade style sheet CSS. But here, let's say we just want to add the border to see that this is like a table. So we go to the top here, the table tag. we will add border equal, let's say 2. Okay, so it's by default it's 0, so no border appears, but you see here when we put the border 2, so as you see here the table display with the borders. We can also play with this, let's say 5. So now the border became a bigger. If it's 1, so save and we run it. Okay, so I hope you guys understand it. So the table has, again, it has a table header and the table row, and inside each row we're going to have the table data td, and this is how it works. So we just go row by row. Okay, we don't go column by column, no, we go row by row, and each row we just create a table data. I hope you guys understand it. Again, practice by yourself, and see you in the next lecture.